Welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 tips, actually 10 ways that you can do to boost your LinkedIn profile so that when you are applying, your high chances of getting a job is very high. So remember, I am not a professional what. This is my own knowledge. This is what I've seen. This is what I've experienced. So these are my own things that I've saw that do work for other people. So please just take it or don't. But I know this can take you somewhere. So stay tuned if you're interested. So guys, the first point is use a professional photo. Guys, if you have to invest in a photographer, do so just to get high quality of a headshot, like high quality of a picture. It means a lot because it can last there forever, you know. Okay, let's move on to number 2. Fix your headlines. Guys, customize your headlines to showcase your talents and your skills, you know, all those things, you understand. So yeah, because it is the first thing that the customer or the employee is going to see when searching for you. So number 3, have a detailed profile summary. It is very important to write a summary that highlights your skills, your knowledge, wisdom, mostly your experience, because your experience says a lot about where you have been, what you have been doing, and all those information, right? Yeah, that's the first thing that they are going to see, so it's very important. All right, let's go to number 4. Connect with people in your industry. Guys, build a relationship with industry leaders, engage with their content, you know, join those groups if you have to, you know. Yes. Number 5, get endorsed. All right, guys, I request recommendations and from the past or the current employees, you know. Yeah, remember that companies also do search for people, like they do go on LinkedIn and search for people that can or that are good for the type of job. So when fixing your profile, it makes it easy, like for your profile to pop up when they are searching. Remember, ne? So make sure you follow the steps, you fix them, and tell me if you didn't get a job, which I know you might. Number 6, add your contact details. Include all your contact details, your email address, your cell phone number, to make it easy for the people to connect with you. Number 7, personalize your URL. As it says that your URL is automatically with LinkedIn, personalize it somehow, but you at the end can cancel and just put your full name so that it does not show the way LinkedIn makes it look like. Okay, number 8, highlight your skills. Choose relevant skills to showcase on your public profile. Those 5 important skills. Share your accomplishments, showcase your work, projects, research to demonstrate your talents and experience from other companies or something. You understand? So yes. Number 10, turn on your I'm interested setting. You go on your profile and you activate this feature to increase visibility in search results when companies are searching for you, so that you become at the top. And this, it's private, it's only seen by when people research you. I hope that helped. Thank you so much. I hope all these tips and boosts will help you fix your profile, will help you make it better for yourself. And I just hope those companies that are looking for you, they get to you, and I hope you will help others also fix their profiles so that they also get high chances of getting a jobs. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, mostly please don't forget to subscribe because it's very important, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.